Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the WordPress REST API base URL. This is a fundamental step for any developer or user looking to integrate their WordPress site with other applications or services. The good news is that the REST API has been enabled by default on all WordPress sites since version 4.7, making it readily accessible for most modern installations. The simplest and most common way to find your WordPress REST API base URL is by appending a specific path to your website's domain. This path is /wpjson/. So, if your website is example.com, your base URL would typically be example.com/wpjson. This endpoint acts as the central hub for all API communications with your WordPress installation. To verify your base URL, simply open your web browser and type in your website's address, immediately followed by /wpjson/. For instance, if your site is myawesomeblog.com, you would go to myawesomeblog.com/wpjson/. If the API is active, you will see a page filled with JSON data. This data provides valuable information about your site's available API routes and capabilities. Once you have identified your WordPress REST API base URL, you can start building specific API requests. For example, to fetch a list of your site's posts, you would append /wp/v2/posts to your base URL. This structured approach allows external applications to seamlessly interact with your WordPress content, enabling powerful integrations and custom functionalities for your website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.